Tingin nyo kayo, like yung ginawa ng characters nyo in this film na mag-reconnect, try to fix things for the child, would you do the same?
Si Love Team and I actually have kind of answered this and discussed this together before. Sa akin,
Mm-hmm.
ang views ko kasi dyan, as much as you can, kung kaya niyong mag-reconnect after, after the breakup, realizations and healing, kung maayos na kayo individually, masarap sanang mag-reconnect because for a time, for some time, before the breakup, you've spent a special moment with each other. You loved each other deeply. Each other became a very important part of each other's life. Hindi naman laging kailangan romantic relationship eh. Ang gandang companionship, ang gandang baka maging best friend kayo. Ang importante, may nasimulan kayong magandang foundation. Sana hindi matapon yon. Kung kaya, kung nag-heal yung bawat isa.
Ako, I believe also na hindi lahat ng pag naging kayo ulit ay kailangan jowa. And yun, ma-answer namin na yes, ang isang mag-ex ay pwedeng maging sila ulit. Kasi iba-iba talaga ang ibig sabihin ng love. Yun yung nakita din namin dito sa movie na to. Hindi lahat ay pang jowa. May barkada kayo, di ba? May barkada kayo na ilang years na kayo magkakaibigan. Love din yun. Mahal mo yung kaibigan mo eh.
Noted. Actually, after po ng episode na to, marami na mga bagay sa makaka-move on.